Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I tell you about 5 best channel for learning web development. First one is Dev Simplified. Here you also learn Flutter, React and many more tasks. Second one is Net Ninja. Here is also useful channel for learning a web development. Third one is Traversy Media. And fourth one is the programming with Mosh. And last, Learncode.academy. This 5 channel is helping you to learn web development and make easy your journey for learning web development. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.